Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mama Sagri Channel, a faith leader o Zamatar leader. So ngayong hapon na ito, tingnan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign off. For the sign off, Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-share ba for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin angel spirit, please give information po. There's a tower moment for a major changes, no? May mga pagbabago magaganap dito sa buhay mo na maaaring magbigay or magsilbing pagbabago, no? Or maaaring may mga bagay na masisira, no? May mga bagay na unti-unting mawawala, na unti-unti maglalaw. There's a chaos or something destruction. And there's something, the Six of Pentacles represents something a balance, na magiging balance ka physically, mentally, and emotionally. So, especially about sa material offer. No? Magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances for you. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. Maring lumakas, lumago ang yung finances. No? Let's see what is the initial messages. And there's something guys with a Page of Swords. Being curiosity. No? Alamin mo, tuklasin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong for you. No? Unti-unti mong mauunawaan, unti-unti mong malalaman ang kahalagahan ng mga dumarating sa yung opportunity. Let's see. And there's a Three of Wands. There's a waiting for a ship, no? May hinihintay ka resulta, document, papers, maaring dumating na. There's a possible na dumating na yung mga hinihintay. Some of you guys may visa, document, papers. And this is something guys with a Knight of Cups. There's something proposal, engagement, no? And there's something guys with apology. May hihingi din ng tawad in the other side. Let's see what is the Tower moment. The Tower moment represents with an Eight of Pentacles. Just focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No? Kumbaga, you are being dedicated. No? There's something revealing, guys. No? Maring the Tower moment is something revealing na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo nang mabubuo. Yung mga bagay na nasira sa'yo, may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo, unti-unti mo na itong mabubuo. Let's see what is the Six of Pentacles. Represent with the Empress card, revert. No? This is something, guys, na maring ibabalik yung sigla, at ganda ulit ng pagkataon na sitwasyon mo. Now, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. Represent with the Moon card. The truth reveal. Na unti-unting may lalatag, na unti-unti mo na may isa sa katuparan. No? At unti-unti na magiging maganda na ang takbo ng iyong kapalaran. No? Magiging masagana na ang pamumuhay mo, maaaring magtupad to sa mga pangarap mo. What is the Page of Swords? The Page of Swords represents with the Ten of Wands. Something burden. No? Maaaring kumbaga unti-unti mo tutuklasin. No, yung mga bagay na nagbibigay balakid, nagbibigay ng pabigat, nagbibigay problema, nagbibigay obligasyon na responsibilidad. Unti-unti mo itong alamin na kung sino yung mga bagay na nagbibigay ng pagbagal ng pasok na magagandang opportunity sa iyo. Natutuklasin mo to at unti-unti mo nang mahihimay-himay. No, kung sino talaga nagiging sanhi at komplikasyon sa buhay na tinatahak mo. What is the Three of Wands? The Three of Wands represent with the Four of Swords. Now, this is something rest. Now, kailangan mo ipahinga yung isip at puso mo, especially ang katawan lupa mo. Now, makinig ka with an inner voice. Rather, kailangan mo rin talaga ditong magpahinga talaga. No? And there's something the Queen of Pentacles. Now, there's something good sense magdating sa entrepreneur. How to manage, how to control your finances. Now, there's a lot of offer coming in for you. But, you need to think twice, no? Kailangan mo pag-iisipan mabuti yung mga offer. Kailangan maging mature ka how to handle and control your finances and your source of income. Let's see what is the Tower moment across the Eight of Pentacles. Represent with a Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Now that because of this scenario, na may mga bagay na nagsilbing kasiraan, may mga bagay na nasira, may mga bagay na naglako. No? Unti-unti mo itong malalaman at unti-unti mo itong matutuklasan. Now, what is the Six of Pentacles because the Empress card? Represent what? Represent with the Queen of Cups. Emotional healing. No, magkakaroon ka din ng emotional healing at may babalik mo rin sigla. No, at ang ganda ng pakiramdam mo. No, let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and of course the Moon card. Represent with the King of Pentacles. There's something security and practicality pagdating sa finances. No, kumbaga magiging secure ka na at kumbaga pangangatawanan mo na kung ano ba talaga yung pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Even your source of income, kumbaga iniisip mo na kung paano mo palalakasin ito. Let's see what is the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wands. Represent with the Chariot card. There's something in action and movement. No, unti-unti mo na makikita yung pagbabago. No, unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa bangungot, no, ng kahapon, sa bangungot ng sitwasyon. No, unti-unti mo na matutuklasan kung saan talaga nang gagaling yung mga bagay na yan. Nagbibigay balakid at nagbibigay pabigat. What is the Three of Wands? Because the Four of Swords. Represent with the King of Wands. Confident. No, ngayon magiging malakas na loob mo, magiging matapang ka na, no, at magiging palaban ka na rin dito. No, harapin dahil naniniwala ka na sa iyong mga gabay, even your instinct, intuition, and inner voice, no. Kumaga binibigyan mo na sila ng importansya, no, nagkakaroon ka na ng kahalagahan dyan sa mga pangitain, signs, no, or synchronicities, and even your visions. What is the Knight of Cups? Because the Queen of Pentacles. Represent with the Four of Wands, something celebration. Na magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. Na magkakaroon ka ng celebration, wedding, home, family gathering, especially union, now with your families. There's a lot of offer coming in for you at magdadala ng celebration pagdating sa source of income. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Ace of Pentacles. There's something a big shot and big money coming in for you with the Three of Cups. A lot of opportunities and there's something happiness. And there's a High Priestess, no? There's something hidden agenda or hidden enemies. No? May mga bagay na hindi mo ina-expect na mangyari at maganap. Hindi mo lubos akalain na magkakaroon ka ng magandang circle of friends, circle of support, o support system. No? Kumbaga maganda ang iyong support system dito. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Support system like yung mga taong tumutulong sa'yo. No? Yung mga gabay na tumutulong sa'yo. Ganun siya. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. And there's a regret. No? May mga disappointment ka dito. May mga panghihinayang pagsisisi ka but I accept the path na kailangan mo tanggapin yan. And there's a detachment with a coldness. No? Alam mo dapat sa sarili mo kung paano ka lalayo at paano ka didistansya sa mga taong hindi pinahalagaan at minahal, no, at tinanggap yung sarili mo. Or kumbaga, hindi in-appreciate yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. And there's a lock and doubt. Alisin mo dito yung pagdadalawang isip, panghihinayang, no? So let's see, what is additional messages for synchronicities? So let's see guys. Wait lang guys ha. Okay. Let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. For synchronicities represent what? And there's a storm. Na may mga unos, may mga pagsubok ay pinagdadaanan. This is something a single mom. Or maaring nanay ka na, maaring single mom ka. And because this is something guys with a planting seeds, no? Maaring, kumbaga, magtanim ka, mag-imbak ka na mag-imbak, no? Kumbaga, mag-ipon ka na mag-ipon. What is additional messages with the magic of fire messages? Some of you guys, plantita. And there's a walking away. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo na i-let go. And there's something perfect timing for you. No, talaga ibibigay ipagkakalob sa ito, no, sa tamang pagkakataon, tamang panahon. What is the romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? Reference with a text message, unsent message. No, meron ditong gusto mag-message sa'yo, pero natatakot, no, paurong sulong, no, gusto nito makipagbalikan sa you guys, no, pero bumabalikwas, natatakot, nangangamba, and there's a single. I told you, there's something single with not in relationship, and there's an happiness. Magiging masaya ka din dito pagdating sa relasyon, pagdating sa love life. So let's see what is the angel's answer represent what. For the angel's answer represent what? And because this is something of perfect timing, double clarification. No, there's something perfect timing coming for with a listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuitions mo, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. No, ibig sabihin makinig ka, kailangan mo magpatawad. Sabi ko na nga ba, may hihingi na talaga ng tawad dito. Now, someone's from the past will coming back. Let's see what is the additional messages for Archangel Michael. This is your life purpose. No, ito yung purpose mo sa buhay, no? Magdasal ka na maayos yung sitwasyon mo. Humingi ka ng gabi ka ating Archangel Michael for helping for your situations. What is the additional messages? And because there's something, guys, with a loosen your grip, let God in. No? Hayaan mo ang ating Panginoon, no? Ibigay sa iyo mga bagong opportunities. Hayaan mo yung ating Panginoon na ibigay sa iyo yung karapat dapat para sa iyo. And there's a karmic relationship. Some of you, no, nasa isang relasyon ng punong-puno ng komplikasyon. Oh, yan, sakit. What is the romance angel represent what? Give your relationship a chance. Na pagdating sa relasyon, kailangan yung nabigyan ng pagkakataon yung sarili nyo magmahal muli. And there's a chance na kailangan mo magtiwala. What is additional messages with the chakra messages? And there's a bittersweet, guys. No, meron ditong paitatamis ng tagumpay. And there's an expansion, guys. No, magkakaroon ka dito ng mas malawak, no, na karanasan, pangyayari sa buhay. There's a perseverance, kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. No, unti-unting lalawak ang iyong resource of income. Let's see what is additional messages. Represent, guys, without that card. There's something an ending and new beginning. May mga bagay na tatapusin na, may mga bagay na unti-unti na magsisimula. And this is something relationship. Malaking factor dito, guys, ang relasyon. No, sa reading mo, it's all about relationship and it's all about money and career. What is additional messages? And there's a dolphin, enjoy your life from the fullest. No, mag-enjoy ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo. There's a guidance and support. Sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit guide and there's a right passage, no? Nakapasa ka na sa hamon ng buhay, no? Minsan ka nang nadapa, minsan ka nang nasira at minsan ka na nagkamali, pero magiging matagumpay ka, no? Sa bukas at buhay na tatahakin mo. For Archangel Raphael messages, represent sunlight. Some of you guys, kailangan nyo ng liwanag, no? Galing sa araw. No, sa haring araw, sa umaga, magpa-araw kayo, ha? And this is something, guys, with a speaker. Some of you guys, no, kailangan nyo ng, kumbaga, mag-voice out, no, yung mga nararamdaman mo, ilabas. No, kasi pa, habang kinikim-kim mo yan, magkakasakit ka dyan, kailangan mong ilabas yung mga nararamdaman mo, yung mga hinaing mo, and there's a trust. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal, sa ating mga gabay. With an energy represent what? Storm warning, double clarification na meron talagang unos. No, meron talagang susubukin kang bayuhin ng eksena na to. And there's a community. No, especially with your environment, with your friends. No, let's see what is the Monsology. No, there's something nothing yet is set in stone. May mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. No, and this is something, guys, with a personal issue reaches resolution. Pero unti-unti nang masusolusyonan yung mga problema mo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Represent, guys, with whatsoever you shall ask, the Father in my name, He will give it to you. So see, Lumapit ka daw sa ating Panginoon, no? Yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa iyo, ibibigay niya ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Kung karapat-dapat ito sa iyo. Now, let's see what is additional messages for clarifying love situation. Anong eksena ngayon pagdating sa love life mo? Ito ha, binibigyan ko ng bonus, no? Pagdating sa iyong love life, there is a temporary reliefs, no? This is something distractions aren't a quick fix for different issues. So, see? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nang mararanasan na yung nagiginawaan ka na sa sitwasyon mo. No? Unti-unti mo na nararanasan at unti-unti mo na nararamdaman. No? Na parang nalilihis na. No? Yung nararamdaman mo sa sitwasyon ng ginagalawan mo. Na parang nagiging kalmado ng sitwasyon mo. No, hindi mo na ganong iniisip, no, parang sa iba mo na binabaling. And this something silent remains amid the uncertain love has the power to reveal trust. So see, kung talaga yung mahal nyo ang isa't isa, no, kumbaga unti-unti yung bubuuin ulit yung mga bagay na nasira. Oh, meron talagang something from meron talagang babalik from the past. So, let's see. What is additional messages without what lies beneath? No? Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago? So, let's see, guys. Now, what is additional messages? Expecting. No? May mga bagay dito na hindi mo akalaing malalantad. No? Hindi mo akalaing magkakaroon ng bagong simula. Expecting new beginning. No? Unti-unti mo nang mararamdaman yung mga pagbabago, no? There is a pregnancy test na meron dito sa some of you guys na meron ditong natatakot kang makapunta sa isang relasyon or makapasok sa isang relasyon na hindi ka pa handa, no? There's something, kumbaga gusto mong maging negative yung pregnancy mo, but definitely baka natatakot ka mag-positive, ganito, ganyan, no? Gusto mo mag-negative, ganon. Kumbaga natatakot ka pa pumasok sa isang higher level of commitment. No? Kasi parang mayroon ditong sugat na nakaraan na kumbaga nananariwa ulit. So let's see. What is the path of the light? What is the path of the light represent what? Unconditional love. No? Nandito yung unconditional love. No, yung pagmamahal na hindi matatawaran. I release all resentment and open my heart to see the God in everyone. I've received the pure child within others and practice forgiveness, knowing the love and understanding create the foundation of the true connection. So, see? Kumbaga, maging sino ka man, maging ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, yung pagmamahal na yun ay buong buo. No, talagang hindi masasabi na no, na nasira, na nawala. Kasi yung pagmamahal na yun talaga namumutangi sa lahat. No? Kahit na hindi kayang ibalik, hindi kayang ibigay, kumbaga pagmamahal mo, talagang ibinibigay mo. No? Kahit na alam mong walang balik sa'yo, no? Kahit na alam mong hindi ka susuklian ng pagmamahal, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo at mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. At mahal mo tong tao na to. Oh. So let's see. What is additional messages tayo? No? About tayo sa love life. Ay, sa finances muna. Anong eksena mo about sa finances? And this is something the King of Swords. And because this is something guys with the Five of Swords. Na ibig sabihin dito, maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon pagdating sa finances, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action. No, ikaw yun yung gumagawa ng ikasisiran mo. Magkakaroon ka na pang matagalan dito, pero ikaw yung parang magkakaroon ka dito ng sabotahe sa sarili mo. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka sa bawat action mo. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, represent with the Ten of Cups, magiging masaya ka dito. And of course, there's something healing, no, and recovery. No, unti-unting ihilom, no, yung mga sugat. Nagkaroon ka na trust issue, but definitely guys, magiging okay to. What is additional message about sa health? There's a Five of Pentacles for something crisis. Nag-overthink ka, paranoid ka dito. No, pinipili mo, nai-stress ka, how to handle your money. No, yung situation mo rin, no? Nag-iisip ka. Especially sa mga pagpipilian, there's a lot of choices. Gulong-gulo ka dito. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights, not because of overthinking or being paranoid. So let's see guys, now what is additional messages with an angel's number? And there's a 2020 video compassion. There's something love talaga. Now there's something affections. It is a confirmation that your assumptions and beliefs are correct, but it also encourage you to use your talent and give because they will benefit the word in your pocket be of a service to other your potential is enormous. So see, kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito, talagang kaya mong maglingkod. There's something services guys. No, kaya mo magbigay ng tulong, pagmamahal, lahat ng mga bagay na to na kayang-kaya mong ipagkaloob, no? Yung kakayanan at kaalaman mo sa ibang tao. No, napaka-generous mo talaga and genuine mo pagdating sa love. No, so let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life represent what? Master of my life, no? Talagang pinabahagi dito na unti-unti mong magagalingan, unti-unti mong mapag-aaralan at unti-unti mong matututunan lahat ng bagay pagdating sa buhay. No, lahat ng mga bagay na ito, mararanasan mo lahat ng mga bagay na ito, mapagdadaanan mo. Pero isa lang isisiguraduhin dito, may matututunang aral ka dito. I dedicated my strength to divine with me, aligning myself with the true sovereignty of my life. My ego step aside, I listen to the inner voice, and in accordance with the truth I hear, in this way I become the master of life. I live in abiding humility, grace, and love for the glory of God. So see, alam mo na, nandiyan ang Panginoon, ginagabayan ka, kumbaga nahahawakan ng kamay mo tungo sa kaliwanagan at tungo sa tagumpay na inaasam mo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign of Gemini. So sa Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading sa reading namang hindi natin makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!